Hi guys, welcome back to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you the tea each and every day. Guys, please don't forget to like this video and also do not skip those ads. Guys, please don't skip the ads. Now guys, in here Ziyabuya Nina Ziyabuya, I recently stumbled across this beautiful Han. She is currently trending and she goes by the name of Latest 2001. Guys, in Ukiel is getting married to a Nigerian man. She is getting married to this Nigerian man, but then looking at the pictures, this guy is not old, like is not that old, And yeah guys, it's currently her lobola day. This is day one. They landed in an aeroplane, guys. I'm just wondering how much are these people going to be paying for the lobola, And guess sana ke, most Instagram, it is alleged ukuthi girl is pregnant. She's trying to hide the belly because of this and that, and I honestly don't blame her, guys. When you're pregnant, you need to protect yourself from the world, because people are cruel out there. And I was looking at her pictures on Instagram. Vele, she is just posing like this, taking pictures like this, and even if she is pregnant, I really don't see anything wrong. You need to hide because people are jealous out there. So Gesana Ugel is currently getting married to this Nigerian man. Ugel is the latest 2001. That's her Instagram handle. And Gesana Kutwa Ugel Nina kuthiwa ugirl used to post like most those explicit pictures on Instagram. Not sure, because some people are even alleging ukuthi she had an OnlyFans account she was selling and stuff, but it looks like kumsebenzele, guys, kumsebenzele ukuthengisa. She finally found nje ilona nje istarente sakhe nje ugirl, like siyambongela.